Hi everyone, I'm Matthew Covey, CEO and co-founder of Signal Intent. This year our product has helped over 2 million people make smarter financial decisions, and we're growing with some of the biggest names in the industry like First Republic Bank, United Bank, and Fairway Mortgage. You know, when we launched Signal Intent 2 years ago, we were on a mission to reimagine the future of financial guidance. And so what do I mean by financial guidance? Well, over the last 100 years, this is something that banks have done extremely well. I walk into a branch and I get personalized recommendations straight from a person. Pretty simple. But over the last 5 years, as people trade physical branches for mobile devices, you're losing share of wallet because your customers aren't getting the guidance they need to make financial decisions. Financial guidance is not about pushing a product, it's about answering the right questions and giving them the best options. So how can you deliver the same great in-person experience, but digitally and at scale? Signal Intent transforms the way banks, credit unions, and lenders provide financial guidance to their customers. Our technology delivers data-driven recommendations to millions of your customers, leading to better financial outcomes and winning you customers for life. So today we're going to walk you through 3 ways we're helping our clients win. The first, we give you the tools to personalize the customer experience. The second, we help you engage, qualify, and convert more customers. And the third, we give you the data you need to truly know who your customer is. So to start, let's head over to signalfi.com, and Signalfi is a demo website. It's meant to represent any bank or credit union website that's publicly available. And let's say I'm a first-time home buyer, so I'm going to scroll down here and I can see first-time home buyer, start planning with our home buying tool. So let me click on this. And what I'm taken to is an experience that's powered by Signal Intent's technology, and it's answering the questions that your customers are asking during the home buying process. You know, your customers don't wake up and ask, you know, can I get pre-qualified today? They're asking, how much home can I afford, or should I keep renting? So let's enter a bit of data in here. So I'm going to enter annual income and down payment. And you could see within a couple seconds, I'm getting a clear picture as far as, you know, how much home I can afford, what I should start looking at, and what that monthly payment's going to be. So if I click over to should I rent or buy, you could see all of that data is passed over dynamically into the home purchase price and the down payment. And let's just adjust this monthly rate because we're in New York. So I'll put that up to $3,500. And in a couple seconds, I now know what kind of home I can start looking at and shopping for. And then also in 1 year and 4 months, buying is going to be cheaper than renting. So I've just answered 2 of the key questions that my customers are going to have as they go through the buyer journey before they hit apply. There's a few other options here, so I can compare Signalfi's rate to the industry averages, so I can look at, you know, based on my time horizon, what's going to make the most sense. And then I can also look at the monthly payment and see the breakdown. And again, all the fields are updated dynamically. You have a few different ways to look at the data, like the schedule and the payment breakdown. Interest rates are all powered by your pricing engine or updated in real time through an API. And then along the way, you have the option to get in touch with someone or get started in the process. So within minutes and using 1 line of JavaScript, you can launch these tools on your website and start engaging customers throughout the entire buyer journey with truly personalized experiences. So next, let's talk about how we can engage, qualify, and convert more customers on your site. So let's say I'm the same home buyer and I left the website and I'm coming back a few days later, and I want to read a bit more about the process. So I scroll down here and I see First-Time Homebuyer's Guide. So I'm going to click on that article. And this article has a bunch of tips, relevant information about navigating the application process. And I can see on the bottom right here, there's a sticky widget that says, take the next step towards owning. So when I click that open, it's going to resume my session, and it's going to pre-populate those fields with what I've already entered and getting me to the next step. So the widget's a great way to personalize experiences across the journey and across multiple sessions, but also contextually across your website. Think about launching a mortgage calculator on all of your home buying content so you can reach customers at scale that way. And if I click down here, let's go over to check my monthly payment. And now I'm taken to this monthly payment calculator. Again, all of the session info is pre-populated, and now I'm ready to actually save this loan. So I'm going to click on Save This Loan, enter my email. And right away, I'm going to get an email with all of these results. It's going to break down my monthly payment. It's going to give me other loan options, as well as what's happening in the industry with interest rates. And then one of the things that we're really focused on is connecting the consumer to the right next step. So in this case, the email actually came from the loan officer. So that consumer has not only gone through this process that's completely personalized, but now they have a next step that they can take with this loan officer. So if I click here, I'm going to go straight to that loan officer's page. I can schedule a call or move on to get pre-qualified. So imagine if in a couple minutes you could launch tools on your website that turn unknown visitors into engaged prospects and then known prospects, right? With all the things they're looking to do and all the data that they're plugging into the tools to ultimately take out that mortgage. And then lastly, we have a no-code platform that lets you really run the show and update everything you need. So you can see here, this is a screen that allows you to preview your widgets. You can change where they show up on the page. We have a few different styles. You can customize the branding, the targeting. You really have full flexibility to launch these across your website. And then as far as launching them, it's as simple as getting this script tag on your website. So it's a super easy way to launch, really streamlined. And then lastly, we have a full analytics platform. So you can see what are folks engaging with, where are they converting, what are they interested in. So you really get that data you need to make better decisions and optimize experiences around your prospects. So we're Signal Intent. We have a booth today, so if you want to learn more, there's a lot more we can do in the platform and walk you through. Happy to talk there, or visit our site at signalintent.com. Thank you.